Are you tired of hearing about the get-rich-quick promises of these affiliate marketing gurus? Have you been burned by scams or misleading information in the past? Do you feel like you're constantly chasing the dream of financial freedom? Like running with so much hunger behind those dreams that they sell you for their benefits only to be left disappointed and disillusioned? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're in the right place. Believe me, I was also there, that's why I think I understand you. I know what it feels like to try something a dozen times, and it breaks your heart every single time. So I don't want you to suffer. As I suffer, that's why in this video, we're going to dive deep into the dark truth about affiliate marketing that nobody has dared to tell you to this date. I'll reveal the harsh realities that many gurus conveniently leave out of their success stories, some shocking insider secrets that will make your jaw drop. You won't believe the lengths some marketers go to make a quick buck and the tactics they use to manipulate you. You'll learn about the common pitfalls to avoid and the strategies that work in today's competitive world. So if you're ready to face the truth, then get ready, my friend, for a wild ride. This video is not for the faint of heart, but if you stick around until the end, you'll walk away with a clear understanding of what it takes to succeed in affiliate marketing. Before moving further, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Number 1, the high cost of affiliate marketing. I know, bro, they've promised to make you rich overnight without investing any money or effort, right? But you and I both know the reality deep inside our hearts that there is no shortcut, that there is no get-rich-quick scheme. The truth is that the average cost of creating a successful affiliate marketing campaign is staggering. Creating high-quality content to investing in marketing and advertising, the financial risks are shocking. The average cost of creating a successful affiliate marketing campaign can range from $1,000 to $5,000 or more, depending on the niche and the scope of the campaign. And that's not even counting the time and effort required to build and maintain a successful affiliate marketing business. There are two sides to the coin. Similarly, there's another side to affiliate marketing that nobody talks about. If you can create high-quality content that is informative, engaging, well-researched, well-presented, and relevant to the audience, you can make a lot of money by doing that. Because audiences buy anything based on how much they trust the brand or the person who is recommending that particular brand. That's why building trust with the audience is crucial for affiliate marketing. This can be achieved by providing valuable content and being transparent about your affiliation with a product or service. But again, this costs money, and with your unshakable effort and time, you're not going to just become popular overnight. The most common mistake made by new affiliate marketers is often a lack of understanding about their target audience. They create content that is irrelevant to their audience, or they fail to build trust with their audience. The result is a lack of engagement and a failure to convert. One common mistake among beginners is that they rely solely on one affiliate program or product, putting all their eggs in one basket instead of diversifying across multiple affiliate programs and products. They don't invest their time in learning about affiliate marketing or putting in the effort to understand strategies and tools for successful affiliate marketing. They just want overnight success, and it's not entirely their fault. Some beginners fall for the tactics used by devious marketers. You see their lavish lifestyles, Ferraris, and pictures of their trips to Dubai, and you think it's all easy money. But that's not the case, brother. What if I tell you that most of them are broke, have borrowed money, and use someone else's car to create a web of thirst traps to sell you their crap courses and make some money? Number 2, the dark side of affiliate marketing. Most of these so-called affiliate marketers you see selling their courses use underhanded tactics to manipulate their audience and make a quick buck. They may use fake reviews, misleading advertisements, or even steal content from other sources. These tactics can damage the reputation of affiliate marketing, lead to a loss of trust among consumers. Some marketers engage in deceptive practices, such as hiding their affiliation with a product or service, or using fake testimonials to promote a product. These practices break the trust of consumers in affiliate marketing. You know that the statistics that reveal the harsh realities of affiliate marketing are staggering. For example, did you know that the average affiliate marketer earns less than $1,000 per month? Or that the majority of affiliate marketers fail to make a profit within the first year? The truth is, affiliate marketing is a tough business, and it requires a lot of hard work and dedication to succeed. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the rewards are worth it. World of marketing looks glamorous from the outside, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing. Courses promise you overnight success and easy income on the whole internet, but the reality behind the scenes can be a lot less glamorous. These courses often turn a blind eye to the unethical practices that some affiliate marketers employ. Fake reviews, misleading advertisements, and stolen content are all tactics used to manipulate audiences into making a purchase. This dishonesty not only hurts consumers, who are left feeling cheated and misled, but also tarnishes the entire affiliate marketing industry. I don't want to sugarcoat it. Statistics paint a sobering picture of the affiliate marketing landscape. The average affiliate marketer struggles to break the $1,000 per month barrier, and a significant portion throws in the towel within the first year. Affiliate marketing is a competitive and demanding field that requires dedication and hard work to succeed. Number 3, strategies that actually work. See, I don't mean to scare you with these secrets and statistics. I just love my audience enough to tell you the truth. And the truth is that affiliate marketing works if you're prepared to do the hard work, ready to invest sleepless nights, and believe in yourself. As I have discussed previously, if you know how to connect with the audience and build trust, you can be successful in affiliate marketing. Building a loyal audience takes time and consistent effort. However, I recommend not chasing a quick buck with underhanded tactics. Instead, focus on establishing yourself as a trusted resource, someone your audience can rely on for genuine recommendations and helpful information. Following this path, you can contribute to a more positive reputation for affiliate marketing as a whole, proving that it's possible to achieve success without resorting to manipulation and deceit. You can use the power of email marketing and affiliate marketing. I don't know why it is underrated. By building a list of subscribers who are interested in your niche, you can create a loyal following and drive conversions. And the best part is that email marketing is a cost-effective way to reach your audience. You can also use social media to promote your affiliate products and build a community around your brand. And again, the key is to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. Successful affiliate marketers understand the importance of building trust with their audience, and they know how to create high-quality content that resonates with their audience. They also know how to use social media to promote their affiliate products and build a community around their brand. And they know how to network with other affiliate marketers to stay ahead of the curve. That's why they're successful. Keep in mind that the success of affiliate marketing lies in a multifaceted approach that combines the power of email marketing, social media engagement, high-quality content creation, and strategic networking. By mastering these elements and consistently delivering value to their audience, affiliate marketers can carve out a lucrative niche in the digital marketplace. You've got to understand that it's not all just about the initial investment. You've got to understand these three things. Your content is king. You need informative, engaging content that attracts your target audience and builds trust. This could involve blog posts, videos, social media content, or even creating an email list. You can use tools for that. You've got to just research a little bit, and you'll be ready to go. Marketing muscle. Actually, organic reach is tough these days. You can use paid advertising on social media or search engines that can be incredibly effective, and obviously it requires a budget. You have to be strategic with your targeting and track your results to avoid wasting money. Time is money. Lastly, don't underestimate the time investment. Building an audience and establishing yourself as a trusted voice takes consistent work. It's not a set it and forget it scheme. Remember that. So my friend, if you're ready to do a lot of hard work, you'll make it. I've got faith in you. You can achieve success in this lucrative industry, my friend, with your efforts. I'm rooting for you. If you found this video informative and helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on finance and business. In the comments below, let me know your favorite part of this video and share it with your friends who are interested in affiliate marketing. The truth is, affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. You can't just create a few posts and expect to make a fortune overnight. It takes time to build trust with your audience, to create high-quality content, and to develop a strategy that works. And even then, there are no guarantees. The only way to succeed in affiliate marketing is to be willing to put in the work and to be patient. But there is another side to affiliate marketing that is often overlooked. The truth is that building trust with your audience is crucial for success. This means being transparent about your affiliation with a product or service and providing honest, unbiased reviews. Consumers are savvy and can spot a fake review from a mile away. If you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to be authentic and genuine in your approach. The harsh realities of affiliate marketing are a sharp reminder that success is not guaranteed. However, for those who are willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be substantial. By focusing on building trust with your audience, diversifying your income streams, and investing in your education, you can increase your chances of success in this competitive field.